Hello everyone. This video is going to go over the CTS wrinkle chart builder. This is a indicator for MT4 that allows you to make Renko candles. But it can also make Uni Renkos instead of just making traditional Renkos, right? You have an option. So you can make Renkos like this, or you can make Renkos like you see everywhere else, the regular Renkos, right? I'll show you how to make both. So I'll just go over quickly what you can do with it, right? So as you saw, those were uni wrinkles earlier. If I change the shift to 100, you will get traditional wrinkles. If I change the shift to 20, you'll get these type of wrinkles, right? So with the shift, you can make a bunch of like types of wrinkles. Like you can make like 20 different types of wrinkles. Just change the shift and you'll have different type of chart, right? So I can change to 30. You can see these are a little bit more different, right? I could change it to 70. So that's a different. These almost look like the regular wrinkles, but not quite, right? So the shift kind of controls the different types. Okay. For uni wrinkles, you'd have the shift at 50. For traditional wrinkles, you would have the shift at 100. And for any other type you choose. Me personally, I use shift at 20. That's what I use for my strategy. And so I just keep it at 20, right? So I'll show you how to actually open these with the indicator. So I'm gonna close the charts for now, okay? And I'll open it again. So let's open a forex pair. Let's do something like Euro USD. This is a well-known pair, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the chart that you wanna make the Renko of. You're gonna click on 5 minute. You're gonna click on this green thing to allow you to scroll freely. And then on your keyboard, if it says somewhere it says home or it says page up, just click that. And it will kind of you're supposed to click home, and home will just make it your chart go all the way to the end, or technically the beginning, right? This way you kind of like get all the history of the chart, right? And so once you got that, all you do is drag and drop the Renko chart builder. Now here, for starting price, what you're gonna do is on the top left, you have one, two, three, four prices. You're just gonna put the first price or the one all the way to the left. So in this case, it is 1.14973. 1.14973. Okay. Now box size, this is again, if you're trading wrinkles, you should probably know what this is. That this is just how big every single box should be. So for Euro USD, I'll put something like 4, right? Doesn't really move much. It's only like 65 pip daily range, so 4 is good. Now shift percent, I've already explained to you how this works. You put whatever you want. You want to do 50, 100, 70, 30, 40, 25, 10, up to you. Time frame is basically you're just giving it a name, right? Traditional charts have M1, M5, M15, M30. That's the name of them. So you'll give it a name. So I'll just name it 4, just because the brick size is 4. I'll just name it 4, right? You can name it whatever you want. Show wicks. It's, self-explanatory. If you want the Renkos to show the wicks, then have it true. If you don't want any wicks, turn it to false. And then max bars is this is something to do with history. So let's say you open the Renko charts, but it only is like halfway, right? You don't have any like more chart technically. Then you can up from 5,000 to 10,000 and see if your chart fully loads, right? And if it still doesn't load, then you're gonna have to actually go into tools and then history center and download the 5 minute history for whatever pair you're trying to do, and then it should load. So click OK. You should get a message here on the top left that says, Renko chart builder, open offline, Euro USD M4. And if you don't get this chart, then just right click or this message, right click on the chart and click refresh, and then you should get it. Then you go to File, open offline, and then you look right here, your USD M4, double click, and you could apply your template. Boom. You have the Renko charts open for Euro USD. Now, sometimes when you open a new chart, you might get like these wicks here. Sometimes they just kind of mess up, but it doesn't really matter. This only happens like as soon as you open it, the previous history is messed up, but in the future, these won't. Like if you just leave your chart open, it will print them normally, right? So simple as that. This is the only Renko chart builder that I've seen in the market that works on MT4. And these are actual like Renko candles, right? I've seen other ones too that say that they're, Renko charts, but what they actually do is they just make an overlay of Renko chart or Renko candles on an actual chart, right? That is not the best, just because I mean you do get Renko candles technically, but if you ever want to use indicators or an expert advisor, right, like a trading robot on that chart, it's gonna read regular candles. It's not gonna read Renko candles, right? And so that's not good. Obviously, you can't make a robot or anything off of Renko candles if it's on a regular chart, right? This chart right here, it's its own chart. These are not regular candles at all. There's no regular candles on the back. These are purely Renko candles. You can add an EA on this. You can add indicators, and they will kind of show according to the Renko candles, not anything else. So that's how it is. Now, if you want something that I do is I'll show you here this template. It kind of changes the look of the Renko candles. I like how these look. These are kind of like a Heikinashi Renko combination. There's no real benefit or anything to them, but I just like how they look. So if you do want to do this, all you do is you have a regular Renko candles. What you're gonna do is right click on the chart and click on properties, and then you're gonna make these four. So you have bar up, bar down, bull candle, bear candle. You're gonna make these the same color as the background color. So in my case, the background is black. I'll make all these black, right? So they're still there. They're just blending in with the background, so it's kind of invisible. And then you could just drag and drop a Heiken Ashi indicator, and then you can change the colors however you want them. Click OK. So that's how you get these type of candles, right? They just look better in my opinion, to be honest. Um, so I think that's pretty much it. If I do come out with any future versions, then I'll make sure to update it. Um, and if you do want me to, add something or you want me to make some changes or something like that, let me know, right? Just comment, and then I'll probably see your comment most likely, and then I'll see if I could make some changes or whatever. So far, this is a pretty simple indicator to use, and it's a very, good indicator to be honest, right? Uni wrinkles at MT4. It's not that many indicators that can do that. Or the other ones that can do that require DLL imports. That is sometimes a little bit dangerous, right? These are basically imports from like another server or something. You don't know what that code can do. You don't know what that code does, right? Even when you allow DLL imports on MT4, it literally says potentially dangerous, enable only for trusted applications, right? So this one does not use DLL imports. The whole code for this is within MT4, right? It's within MT4. So that's it for now. And if you don't think this is something that can help you, then go ahead and get it.